Hello kids, welcome back to our channel Mini Education School. Today we will learn count the object and write their numbers. So let's start from the apple. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 apples. So we will write here 3 number. Next we have some spoon. Count the spoons. 1, 2. So write here 2 number. Next we have some triangles. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 triangles. So write the number 5. Next we have some arrows. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So write the 4 number. Next we have some hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 hearts. Next we have some balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 balls. Next we have some rectangle boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 boxes. So write the number 8. Next, we have some pens. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 pens. Next, we have a bat. 1. Just write the number 1. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.